In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Bitwarden account. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, and then from here you can click on Get Started Free up top. And then here, basically, you'll be able to essentially select whichever plan you want. So we have business and personal. Of course, you can go ahead and select whichever one you want. I'm just going to click on create free account over here. And then basically, you will have to put in your email first. And after you do that, you'll also have to put in your preferred location. So for example, over here, if I just type in one of my emails over here, there we go. I can go ahead and then click on sign up after I select my location. This can be either .com or .eu. I'm going to click on sign up. And after that, as you can see, it's going to tell you to check your email. So you'll have to go to your email, and then inside your email, you'll be able to see basically kind of a verification mail. So I'm going to pull this up for you over here just so we can see what this looks like in a second when I receive it. And when you do that, you basically will just have to verify, and after that, you'll have to put in a bunch of different information. So here, let me actually pop this up for you. As you can see, here's the email. I have to verify it by clicking verify email here, and it's going to basically allow me to do this. So as you can see, it's going to say a verification email has been sent. You then essentially just have to open that up, and then you'll be able to log in via that. Okay, so that's how easy it is. And whenever you actually put in your account info, it's going to ask you for a bunch of your information. You'll be able to get the access to your account just like this, and you'll be able to navigate around. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.